used to trade every pair, whatever signal I get, I'll just, overtrade that signal and then, end up blowing up my account. And I would say I've lost pretty much, I would say around above 30K in the last 5 years. Those 5 years, from 2016 to 2020, I would say like 4 years, let's say. And as a student, and then I became an entrepreneur. That's a lot of money, Like let's say even if you do over the 4 years, that's like around 8 grand or 9 grand, or 10 grand, more than 10 grand actually a year. But as we progress later on, I try to stick with, couple of trades, couple of pairs, specifically talking about, I trade only gold when it comes to metals. And if we talk about the Forex pairs, I really like GJ because there's a lot of volatility in it. And anything happens in the world, because Japanese yen is a safe haven. So, people really tend to trade that and move their money in gold or the yen. So, and the third thing, I don't really like it, but over the weekend, since the Forex market is closed, I dabble with Bitcoin as well. Nothing else in crypto, actually, only Bitcoin, because I'm more like a technical and somewhat fundamental now. So I'll take a look at news as well, but I basically, my trading plan is usually, based off the zones, support and resistance levels, and different time frames. I get the confirmations, and then I execute the trades on that.
Nice, man. Yeah, we were talking before we started recording, and you were showing me your Bitcoin profit. Maybe you want to show it, maybe brag a little bit for the interview, but just to show people that it's super cool, man. To give some context for people, we're literally on a Sunday morning, 8:30 a.m. that we did this interview.
8:30 a.m. Yes, sir.
Like I to be honest, I did a mistake in my schedule. There wasn't supposed to be spot at that time, but when I saw it was, I said 8:30. Oh man, what did I do? I said, fuck it. I'm always up at 5-6 a.m. So that's fine.
Yeah, definitely.
But like, no, that's really great, because you showed me you were already like $1,300 in profit on the Bitcoin trade, something like that, and that's pretty cool. People can trade on the weekend with the prop firm.
Yeah, let me show you my open trade so far right now, because so this trade is basically, I'm just gonna tell you, a little bit beforehand why I took this trade. So right now, Bitcoin, if you really see a daily chart right now, it's really at a level where it's been rejected already 3-4 times. The zone is really, really strong for the daily and weekly. So on that basis, and then I had confirmation on a 4-hour chart as well. It got rejected 2 times in the last 2 days. So basically last night I took a trade, and then I had a stop loss, very, very minimal stop loss, 1.5%, nothing too big. Since I have $100,000 account, I was only risking $1,500. So as of now, my trade is risk-free because the price, already moved down. And now I've moved my stop loss into the profit, actually, like I think it's like 5 pips or something. So I'll make some money. I'm not losing on it. So I just want to share it just for the motivation purpose. Here you go. That's my account right now. And it's running around $1,600 right now. I just want to show that it's not no demo account. This is my name. It's real 100K account. And then I just want to add another thing. I just made a withdrawal as well. Here you go, $5,000.
Boom! So, and we made another one this morning. We made it. This doesn't show. It doesn't
this is
show
the second one. This is
okay. Here you go. Here you go.
If you really want to see another one, I can show you the weekly and
I think everybody will believe you by then. But here you go.
That's the 10K withdrawal right there. We did this in 1 week, and I'm heading for another one. That's already 102K. So
in 1 week, that is insane, man. Are you always profitable like that? What's going on, dude?
So here's the thing, I really take trades, very conservative trades. I keep my stops close, and then I really closely manage my trade. I really watch it when I open the trade. So as soon as my trade, turns into profit, I'll just move the stop loss to not even break even. I'll just put into some profit, like let's say 5 pips, or maybe sometimes if the price is like too volatile, maybe I'll put break even. But I don't like break even because in today's market, there's a lot of slippage. The price moves really fast, and then your stop will be like, let's say 190, or close at 185, you know. So I like to keep it in the profit, you know. So that's pretty much it for now.